Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch your field of view on the DJI Osmo 360. First, make sure you're on your desired mode, be it video or photo. Then swipe from the bottom to the top and tap on the top here. You can change it between ultra wide, wide, and standard dewarp. And that's it for changing those settings. The same can be done for all of them. Let's look at photo. Okay, it can't be done for photo, but if it's available, you're going to see it. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.